Are you tired of missing important emails because Gmail keeps sending them to spam? Learn 3 proven methods to stop emails from going to spam in under 3 minutes. We'll cover 3 methods: marking emails as not spam, adding senders to contacts, and creating a filter. Let's start with the simplest fix. Start on the Gmail homepage to begin method 1, marking an email as not spam. Then, click on More in the left side panel to expand the folder list. Now click on Spam to open your spam folder. Open the email you want to keep from the spam list. Click Report Not Spam. Gmail moves it back to your inbox and uses your feedback to improve future filtering. Now let's move to method 2, adding the sender to your contacts. Open the email from the sender you want to whitelist. Copy the sender's email address from the email. Click the Google Apps icon, that grid of 9 dots, in the top right. Then click on Contacts to open your contact list. Click Create Contact on the top left bar. Then click Create a Contact from the dropdown. Type the sender's first name in the appropriate field. Now, paste the email address you copied into the email field. Click Save to add the contact. Adding trusted senders to your contacts helps Gmail recognize their emails as legitimate. Finally, method 3, create a filter to never send emails to spam. Open the email from the sender, then click the 3 dots at the top right corner. Click Filter Messages Like This to set up a filter based on that sender. Then click Create Filter to proceed. Check the box for Never Send It to Spam. Click Create Filter to apply it, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.